Lots of times I'm a cut as I go. You have to cut all at once, and the reason is because you're mixing and matching a lot of the different pieces. And the best part about the Quick Curve Mini is that you're using both sets, so you may be cutting it apart, but you're just going to turn right around and sew them back together. My husband says that all the time. He does not understand. So this is our very first cut. I am going to actually cut in this little groove. Now, what I want to do is I want to sew these right back together because that's what's going to create the curve. Here's where the magic happens. We're going to start 1/4 of an inch down here. We're going to set the machine and we're going to sew this line, but we're actually going to pull this straight. All right. See how easy that is?
You know, the thing that I'm thinking as you're doing this is you concentrate more on the edge of your fabric than your needle.
But just see how nicely that lays? So look at that curve on that back there.
Yeah.
It's perfect.